So I think the thing you were talking about, Helena, looking at, um, I think it was CO2 to methanol and methanol to olefins,
Yeah.
and then onwards, perhaps. I guess in the area of sustainable aviation fuels, for which there's a big commercial pull, and I guess in terms of a requirement from the I don't know, from governments and from the public at large. I think that there's quite a lot of interest in that area, and I think there's a lot. I suspect there'll be a lot that will happen in those areas for catalysts over the next, I don't know, 10 years or whatever our timescale was, 5-10 years. There are quite a lot of different routes to those, and there are a lot, and perhaps quite a lot of different starting points. So I think there are a lot of opportunities there for catalysis and for an engineering perspective.
But there, the price of a product will be highly important, because it comes down to us as a customer, that how much we are willing to pay for the flight ticket. Okay, in the MemCat, the aim is to develop a new tandem catalyst to convert a CO2 via methanol to olefins. And for the CO2 to methanol conversion, we use the traditional catalyst, the copper catalyst supported by alumina modified by zinc. And then for the methanol to olefin catalyst, the plan is to use the zeolite. But the idea is to make these two components so close to each other, to make this core cell structure, so that the diffusion of the and products would be reduced, and particularly the transition from methanol from one catalyst to the other would be made easier, of transformation of the reactant, the methanol. But yeah, we need to see if that will succeed.